Hi, I'm Andrew from the CPAP shop.
The Philips Respironics DreamWear Full Face CPAP mask offers users all the benefits of a traditional full face mask with a unique under-the-nose design. In today's video, I'll be showing you how easy it is to replace the DreamWear Full Face headgear. This headgear comes with 4 adjustable arms, unlike the DreamWear nasal headgear, which only has 2. These top 2 adjustment arms attach to the DreamWear mask frame, while the lower 2 headgear arms magnetically clip on to the DreamWear Full Face cushion. Each pack of replacement headgear comes with these magnetic clips. To attach the headgear, simply undo the Velcro tab and slide it through the appropriate slot on the DreamWear mask frame. Make sure that the Philips Respironics logo is facing outward and upright. Once the Velcro tabs are connected to the mask frame, simply use the magnetic clips to connect to the cushion and you're done. You can adjust the Velcro to make slight adjustments to your fit if necessary. If you notice the headgear begins to fray, stretch out, or constantly needs adjusting, it's probably time to replace it. Generally speaking, you should replace your CPAP headgear every 6 months. To clean your DreamWear headgear, remove it from your mask and hand wash it once a week with warm, soapy water. Let it air dry completely before reassembling. I hope this video helps. Good luck with your CPAP therapy, and as always, thanks for watching.